If you're choosing between Suno and Ace Studio, this isn't just AI music tool versus AI music tool. It's full song generation versus AI vocal production. So, which one actually produces better music? Let's break it down. Suno is designed to create complete songs from a prompt. Give it genre, mood, or lyrics, and it can generate instrumentals, vocals, and finished tracks in minutes. That makes it incredibly popular for content creators, hobby musicians, and anyone who wants instant music without production experience. But here's the catch. While the results can be impressive, you have less control of the final arrangement and vocal performance. Ace Studio takes a different approach. Instead of generating entire songs, it focuses on creating realistic AI vocals that can be used inside professional music production workflows. Producers can fine-tune melodies, timing, pitch, and expression much more precisely than with Suno. The downside is that you'll usually need your own instrumental tracks and production skills to get the most out of it. So which AI produces better music? Choose Suno if you want finished songs with minimal effort. Choose Ace Studio if you want higher quality vocals and more control over the music production process. Bottom line, for most people, Suno produces better results because it creates complete songs from a simple prompt. But for serious musicians and producers, Ace Studio often delivers better vocal quality and greater creative control. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.